welcome back to FayPaints. Today I will be making a very simple and easy lavender painting, and I think this is a good practice for beginners. So first here, I am making an outline for my stems using a pencil. You know how I am with stems, so I want to make a guide for me as to where I will place the flowers. So you can skip this step if you want to. This is only an option. Okay, so I want to make a bouquet, maybe some 4 or 5 flowers. Okay, so I have mixed a violet and crimson red for my magenta, as these are the only available colors that I have. So with the end of my brush, I am dabbing the paint in a V shape to create the petals. And of course creating the lavender shape as I go down. Okay, so notice that my brush is slightly leaning towards the paper. Okay, and then I got violet paint and just dabbing them on some parts to give the flower some depth. Okay, so let's add some more. And now I have cleaned my brush to remove the paint and just softening some edges with a bit of water. Okay, so it seems I have painted my first flower in an awkward position. So the stem should be here. Let's see how we're going to fix that later on. Okay, so anyway, let's make another flower. So let's zoom this out. Okay, so again, with the end of my brush, I am making these V strokes as I apply the paint on my paper. You can make the V shapes larger as you go down the lower end of the lavender. Okay, if you want bigger petals. Okay, so let's just make this longer. Okay, and then getting my violet again and dab it in some of the open areas. Okay, then wash my brush with clean water and just soften some of the edges. Okay, so there's a space here. Maybe let's fill this up with another flower. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for updates on new videos. Okay, so you can make the flowers long and thin also, or thick depending on your preference. Maybe mix it with some blue lavenders if you want to, so you could have variety of colors. So maybe I will be making 5 of these lavender flowers. Okay. So let's do 2 more. See, this is just a very easy lavender painting. Okay, so now we'll put the stems. And see how helpful the lines I made with the pencil. By the way, I used a water-soluble pencil when I drew the lines, so it should dissolve with the paint. So I made these stems crossing at the center because since it's a bouquet, so we'll tie them together with a ribbon later on. Okay, then I'll add the leaves. So I'm just pulling the paint and dragging it up to make the leaves longer. So just pull the paint, drag it up like that. Oh, I think my green is too light. Should have mixed more pigment. Okay, so I think now let's put a ribbon. Okay, so I want blue. I am using a Prussian blue for this one. Okay, so let's just make our ribbon loose. Okay, there you go. And then of course, let us splatter some paint. Okay, I'm splattering some magenta, and then maybe let's add some purple also. This is a very simple and easy and very quick lavender painting. So that was so easy, isn't it? So if you like our session today, please like this video, try it, and tell me all about it on the comments below. And I'll see you on the next episode. Bye!